Turning back to that breaking news in North Carolina, Andrew Brown Jr.'s family may need to wait another 10 days before they can watch the moment their loved one was shot and killed by Pasquotank Sheriff's deputies as they were serving warrants.
So far, the family has seen about 20 seconds of video from the April 21st incident. Let's head live now to investigative reporter Evan Watson, who's in Elizabeth City with the order in hand. So, Evan, what have you learned so far from this?
Absolutely. I'm outside of the courthouse right now. This is the copy of the judge's order that was just filed. Dan mentioned that Andrew Brown's family may have to wait another 10 days to see body camera video. That's because the judge took 9 days to file this order. And in the order, he says that the sheriff's office will show them the videos within the next 10 days. In this judge's order, it reveals new information about videos in this case. There are 5 videos with close to 2 hours of footage. Judge Jeffrey Foster orders the Pasquotank County Sheriff's Office to show about 19 minutes of video to Brown's son Khalil Farabee and others. Foster says the parts of the video withheld do not show Brown and are, quote, not appropriate for disclosure at this time. The Brown family and their attorney are not allowed to record any of the videos while they watch them. The judge watched all 5 videos before deciding what the family should be allowed to see. He also orders the sheriff's office to blur the faces of the deputies in the video until any internal or criminal investigation is finished. Based on this order, the Brown family should be able to watch parts of the 5 videos by May 16th. Judge Foster did not explain in detail his decision to not release the body camera to the public, instead saying that disclosure based on the statute in North Carolina is more appropriate at this time. Although Judge Foster did say at the ruling last week that he is going to reconsider releasing body camera video to the public after the investigation by the North Carolina SBI is finished, which could be as soon as later this month. I'm going through the details in this court order, and we'll have more on 13 News Now. For now, reporting live in Elizabeth City, I'm Evan Watson.
Wow, a lot to unfold with this story, Evan. Thank you. And make sure you count on 13 News Now to stay on top of it. We'll continue to have crews in Elizabeth City. Look for updates on air and online. And be sure to download the 13 News Now app. You'll have breaking news alerts sent straight to your phone.